Hello students. So today we will discuss the worksheet 1 of computer first chapter. Okay. So all of you please open your book of class 8 chapter 1 computer networks, page number 11. Okay. So here is the first question. So I think all of you have revised all the topics which we have discussed. Okay. If not still, kindly discuss it, revise it, and if you find any difficulty then contact me. Okay. So first worksheet 1A, it is the tick the correct option. Okay. So tick the correct option. So first question is, the computer network organized with the environment of an individual user is. So can you guess it? So the computer network organized within the environment. So within the environment is our PAN. Okay. Similarly, the network topology in which all the nodes are connected to a central node. So that was our star topology. And the protocol used for transferring files on the World Wide Web. So we use the HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And the computer network that covers the region of entire city. So for entire city we use MAN. Okay. Then for 5, the wireless wireless transmission technology that uses electromagnetic waves. So which one will be? It will be our NFC. Okay. Similarly, fill in the blanks with the correct word. So router, radio wave, mesh, WAN, and SMTP. So in dash topology, each node is connected to every other node of the computer. So which one will be? So it will be our mesh. Number 2, a dash is capable of transmitting data package to the destination computer through multiple paths. So this is our router. Then protocol used for transferring email message over the network. So we use the SMTP. Okay. Number 4, dash are omnidirectional. Omnidirectional means it can move in any direction and can penetrate building easily. So these are our radio waves. Okay, these are our radio waves. Then usually a dash is used for international business organization for their operation. So we use WAN, which is used internationally business organization for their operation. Okay. So C part is our right, true, and false for the statements. Okay. So the central device is a star topology is called a hub. The central device in a star topology is called hub. So is this correct or false? So yes, in a star topology, the central device is known as our hub. So this is true. Okay. The different computers in the same network can follow different protocols. No. So different computers in same network must follow same protocols. So this is a false statement. So optical fiber cable provide the fastest speed of data transmission among all the wire transmission. Yes, we know this, that the optical fiber provides the fastest data transfer speed. Okay. Similarly, cable television network is an example of local area network. Yes, cable television network is an example of local area network. It is true. So a single satellite can receive and transmit data from a number of earth sections. It's correct? Yes, it is also correct. So easy. So next we have the last portion, that is D. So what do you mean by computer network? So computer network we have already discussed. So you write it, the definition of computer network. You can find the answer in page number 3. Okay, page number 3. First topic, computer network. We have when we have started the chapter, we have given the definition of computer network. Okay? So computer network, what is computer network? A computer network is a collection of computer or other device that are connected to each other in order to share data as well as hardware and software resources. Okay, and state any 4 advantages of computer networking. So we have given the definition of computer networking, advantage of computer networking. So you will get this answer in page number 10, advantage of computer networking. So you can write any 4. that is file sharing, resource sharing, ease of communication, centralized software, and reliability. Okay. So number 2 is describe the different types of computer network based on geographical area covered by them. So we need to answer this. So what will be the answer? Describe the types of computer networks. So we need to types of computer network. So how many types of computer network are there? There is your PAN. PAN is your personal area network. It is within the environment only. Local area network, which is confined to a single room. Metropolitan area network, that is MAN. Wide area network. So you will get this in the solution in page number 3. Okay. Then what is network topology? So network topology has been also discussed. So you will get the answer in page number 8. So for network topology, you'll get the answer in page number 8. Okay, at the bottom. The network topology is the physical arrangement in which the computer and other network devices are connected to one another. Okay, and explain any 3 topologies used in computer. So you can take any one. So we have 4 type of topologies. What was that? Our bus topology, then ring topology, and star topology, and mass topology. So you can describe any 3 or explain any 3. Okay, so you will get this in page number 9. So last part you will get in page number 9 as well as in 8 also. Okay. So how are microwave different from radio waves as transmission media? So I am giving this you as homework. So try to find the answer. Okay. And what are protocols? So protocol has been also already discussed. Okay. So the definition of protocols we will get in page number 10. Protocols. Okay. So what are protocols? Protocols are is a set of rules that govern the communication among the computer in a network. Okay. And there are many protocols, that is internet protocol, IP, FTP, file transfer protocol, HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, TCP. Okay. So you have to define them all. So these are all given in you have to write the full form. IP, internet protocol, FTP, file transfer protocol, then HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, then TCP. So what was the full form of TCP? It is the transmission control protocol. So you will find all the answer in page number 10. Okay. So what are mean by network devices? Okay. So what are network devices? This also you will get in your book easily. Okay. So network devices you will get in page number 7, and state the uses of the following network devices. So modem, it is also given, switch is also given. So write properly because all the answer is given in book. So in page number 7 and 8 you will find the answers. Okay. And state some limitation of computer network. Limitation means the disadvantages. Okay. So you can find this in page number 11. So you write it all the question and answer and send me by today or tomorrow or by Monday. Okay. So I will check it. Okay. Thank you. So in the next video we will continue our chapter 2, that is introduction to Access 2016. Okay. Till then prepare it. Okay. Thank you.